for Kez. They drop him down. Shockwave onto Robert X. Lee and try to shut it down. Pomelster trying to waltz it out there. He throws down the Zanyas, but he gets Chompered immediately out of it. They cause Shifter to Zanyas right in the middle. Oh, Moore gets it on the outside of a Matt Train's pulverized with the flash happening from Shifter, and they completely wipe out Dignitas.
If we win, bananas for everyone. Really? Everyone gets bananas.
The Banshees failed to be popped. It does. Here's Dyrus' teleport. The dive. Oh my gosh! The health bars completely obliterated on the side of TSM.
They've already taken down Corki, and Helios is not done. He chases down Xiaowei Xiao, and he's going to say goodbye for that one. A couple of flashes, and now Moore's going to get eaten up alive by Altec.
Not this game. Let's go. This game. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Boom.
Yeah, let's do it.
And that is another kill picked up for Elimination, 2-0-7. The jump on in, KX tries to retreat, but Balls claims that kill.